Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the application we need to find the more icon right here, tap on it, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, then tap on our Fenix 8 to select it. In the settings page, scroll down, find the option called the, oh never mind, we don't need to scroll down, my bad. We need to tap on the more options icon right here in the top right corner. Come on. Okay, then we need to tap on remove device and tap on remove. If you see this pop up, you can tap on settings, it will redirect you to the settings, and here you need to find the Bluetooth option, tap on it, find the Fenix 8 on the list of devices, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device and tap on forget device. Okay, and now we can close all of the apps, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.